Hello everyone, this is Jura from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Jura with us in the shop, and I came in due to an issue with the machine not wanting to get past its startup cycle. And what we had ran into is that this actual switch, which is connected to the drip tray, is actually broken. You can kind of see how loose the button is. If I were to kind of just press it in, it actually gets stuck. And so what was happening is that the drip tray wasn't able to push the switch, and the switch wasn't conducting, which was telling the machine that the machine wasn't ready to boot up. So we're going to start with the machine drip tray out, just so we could kind of show what it was doing. So the machine will turn on. You can see there's a little brew lights back here that it's trying to. If I were to put just this one in, and then this one, you're going to see it spring to life. So if I were to pull this out, this is what we were seeing. It was missing tray, and what was happening is that this bottom part here, so if I were to push this all the way so it doesn't work, this bottom part of the switch was actually not pressing against the drip tray because it was stuck. And so now that we replaced it, if you were to slide this tray in, the machine will turn on. There you go. So we are going to brew a shot. Little spout down just so it doesn't spill. Let's just make sure we got some coffee. We do. And we're going to brew a machine. Besides that, it was recently serviced a few months ago, so shouldn't be any issues there. It's just going to grind, and then it's going to make 1 ounce of coffee. There you go. Just a little tiny espresso in there. Then we're going to turn it off to do the rinse cycle. And we're just going to turn it back on one more time with the tray out, just to kind of show it. I also did a cleaning cycle. The machine was prompting it to be clean, so I did that just to make sure that the machine is in pretty good shape. So again, we're going to take this out. We're going to turn the machine on. Missing tray. The moment we press this tray in, all good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.